Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. About 4 weeks ago I got a DM off a company called Nicecnc that makes quality items for KTMs, Husqvarnas, motorcycles, cars, all sorts of different things. They approached me and says, would you like to review some of our gear? And I thought, hey, this is what I started this channel for. I'm in for that. So I got a box sent that came a couple of days ago. Some bits for the KTM 350 and a couple of bits for the 690. So, if you fancy knowing what's inside here, as they say, stick around, stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
I've been doing this nearly 4 years now, and one of the things that I wanted to do the channel for is to basically get free stuff. And so the guys and girls at Nicecnc contacted me on Instagram about 4 weeks ago, asking me if I'd like to review some of their kit as I ride a KTM or 2 KTMs, and I went, yeah, why not? I think I already have some of their gear already, which I have bought. So they sent me this box. So this box, bit of an unboxing and a bit of fitting. There's 4 items in here. As you can see, it comes very well packaged. So there's 4 bits of kit in here. So that's the packaging it comes in. I will open it because we're going to we're not fitting this one today because we're going to fit some gear on this 350. So this is the oh, look at that. Look at that bunny bear kit. Look at that. And that's not your jeez. That is some nice bit of kit, isn't it? That's not your sort of normal cheap stuff you get. That's the petrol filler cap that's on the back of the 690. Everybody complains because it's got a key in it. You get dirt inside it, and all of a sudden you put your key in, snap your key inside it, and then you can't ride your bike, you can't put fuel in it. So a lot of people have changed them for this, but that is that's nice. I've heard a couple of things on the internet saying that rubber there, it's degraded, it's not very good, but to me, I think they must have got something else from somewhere else. For the 350, we've got a oil filter cover, clear. I think they retail about 19, 21, 22 quid. I think they are. I don't know. I'll put a link for these things will be down in the description below. So we're going to fit that today. And the other thing that we've got for the I wish they'd have got in touch with me a few weeks ago because I'd have got one of these for the 690 because I broke it. And we've got a nice brake lever, depending on which country you come from, for the 350. We've got a press bearing in there, which will make it smooth, and a full extendable pad so you can brake properly. So yeah, let's get these couple of bits on the 350 and see what they're like. See you in a bit. So just because we're changing one item on the engine, one of the easiest things to do is to lay it on its side. As you can see, at a certain distance over, the oil won't come out anywhere. All we're going to do is to take the cap off, take 2 screws out, take the cap off, put the cap back in. This oil filter housing, it comes with the Viton O seal, which is great, so you'd have to go and buy one. A bad little bit of kit, and about 22 quid I think they are. As you can see, all we've got is 2 8mm bolts. Hopefully it's lent over that far enough that it won't get any oil out. On these oil filter housings, there are 2 different size bolts, a long one and a short one. So just make sure that when you put it back in that you put them the right way around. A little bit of oil about, nothing much. And then all I do is put that back in. The short one goes in the top. 7 Newton meters, I think these 8mm are. Nothing major. That's all you need. Here, come here. Oh, look at this. There we go. Look at that beauty. All you need to do is set it on its side like that. So yeah, that's one job done. Get the bike up, turn it round, and do the other side, shall we? And put the brake lever on it. See you in a bit. We'll fit the rear brake lever. As you can see already on it, we've got the standard one on already with the extendable toe pad on it. once we get this out, there'll be a couple of bits of things to change over. So let's get on with it. One of the things that's going to need to come off is the spring. I can't remember. It just comes off easily like that, doesn't it? Let's check it off completely. T45 and a 13mm nut on the back of it is what holds it in. Just before we take it off, what we'll do is the arm that goes to the master cylinder. We'll just undo that off because it'll be easier to do it now than we'll do it after. Now I'm assuming that this bolt here should, well, it doesn't, there's a little bolt at the back that goes into the master cylinder, should have Loctite on it. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on it, so when it goes back together, that looks like it's had some Loctite on it, so that's going to get some Loctite on it as well, because the last thing you want is your brake coming loose. So that's the original one to come off. Looking at them side by side, that toe extender there doesn't come on the standard, and it's quite small, and the things about these, they are quite small, but this comes with the whole thing completely together, because I think that toe extender was from Nicecnc a couple of years ago when I bought it, didn't even know. So we'll put this back together, and it will fit through the gap. Yes, it does. Oh, this is dead easy, this. You lot could do this at home. Bit of blue Loctite on it. Don't really want that coming loose, do you? When you're out on your bike. Now that I would say is probably going to be around about 20 Newton meters, which is what I've just done there. So I'll put a bit of blue Loctite on the bolt that goes into for the master cylinder, for the plunger. Plunger? Has he got the plunger? No, for the not for the plunger. What do you call it? So it doesn't need to be mega tight. So we've now adjusted that so it doesn't come back and hit, and we've got our free play 2 or 3mm free play that you need for expansion. Put glasses on, Sam, you might better see a bit better. Long nose, back through the hole. There we go. Super. It was ready for an upgrade. I should have had it for the 690 the other day. So that's what it looks like on it. Nothing wrong with them, is there? So there we go, dead easy. Some bling from Nicecnc. Thank you very much to Nicecnc for sending me the gear. It's as good as original, if not better. The couple of bits that we've got for the 690, like I say, that aluminium filler cap is solid aluminium. It's machined. It looks a nice bit of kit. The 2 bits that we've put on here, everything comes with it. Don't need anything else. Dead simple to do. I believe they do free shipping. I'll put the details and link down below in the description box. When I speak to them again, I'll try and get them a discount code. So if I get a discount code, I'll stick it down below. But if I have a discount code, I'll do something else. Now, there's a discount code for Nicecnc, and have a look what they do, because like I said, the stuff that's running through there, it's some nice stuff they do. Shipping 2 to 3 days, I believe, UK warehouse. So yeah, check them out. So thanks very much for watching to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up as per usual. If you just found us, don't forget, be humbled if you do. Subscribe, click that button down below, subscribe down there somewhere. Ring that bell every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. If you're riding out there, don't forget, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Nicecnc, and as they say, we'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.